So I'm doing this video. I'm gonna make it as quick as possible. I'm trying to fix or replace the hard drive on this Mac. I'm not gonna do a video on that. I'm doing a video on the fact that you can't open the screws with regular, I think these are T6 screws now for these Mac minis. And they have what's called security screws. I purchased these on Amazon. You can see the link below. I can't believe we need to buy a whole new set of screws so that Apple can keep you out of your Mac Mini and other devices. I just wish they just put regular Phillips screwdrivers. But anyway, now they have what's called, I believe it's called security Torx screws. And what it is, now all my Torx screws are no good for Macs from this year and on. And I have to have, this is a standard one. So let me see if I find the one I need. I think this is it. It has, all right, let me just see if I can get a better shot. So I don't know if the video is gonna show, but the white looking dot is the security Torx screw, which has an indentation in the middle, or a what it is that the regular, these Torx screws now have some type of little circular I don't know what you would call that, dimples or something in the middle that prevents you from using a regular Torx screw. So you have to get a Torx screw that actually has an opening. I'll show that at the end. But you know what? Let me show it below. The way the Torx screw, the normal Torx screw looks, and the way that the new ones look. Because I can't get it on video, so I'll do a picture. I'm gonna show it now. And that's the problem. So now I have to use these Torx screws over the standard one. See, this is the standard one. Yeah, the video's not gonna, I don't think the video's gonna show it. So there's an indentation or a hollow area in the middle to open these up. So I think it's T6. It's a T7. I think it's a T6 that will, T4. This goes from, the security Torx screws are a T6. With this set, it's a T6 to a T, I don't know how far up. I bought a pack because I may need these in the future if other companies decide to use this new security Torx screw. So I won't have this issue again. So it's a T6. It's a T9. Let me see how high it goes. T10. So it goes all the way to T10. On T10, which should be the largest. I don't know if you can see the opening in the middle. Anyway, so now T6. Let me try it out. I couldn't open it with a regular T6, and it's going in, and it's turning. I cannot believe it. You know, I can't believe they made. So that's what it is, and I can't bring the screw up high. I can't get the video to be clear in the middle, but again, I'll just show a video during, a picture on the bottom on what the difference is. So that's what you have to do. You have to buy these screws. So T6 for the Mac Mini to get it open if you're looking for that security key and you're having a problem opening your Mac. All right, I hope the video helps. The link is below for the actual pack here. You could buy an individual one, but they're like $5 or $10. I think I paid about $10 for this pack. So you're better off buying the whole set, I think. And the T6 and the T10 come with the security Torx feature. All right, thank you for watching. Links below.